Okay, these are really scary cupcakes. Actually, they're not really scary. These are fun cupcakes. They're little monster cupcakes with teeth and eyeballs. And they're really cool. And just so you know, the Crumb Boss is going to show you the technique how to make monster mash cupcakes. Right, Crumb Boss?
Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Oh, there you are.
We got
Oops.
Cyclops in the house.
Yeah, Cyclops.
The one-eyed monster.
Exactly.
So,
One-eyed monster.
Cute cupcakes, right?
Yeah.
We're going to show you how to do it. It's
Wait,
pretty
so
simple.
this cupcake here, it's real big, and you got small cupcake
it
there.
starts out like this. This cupcake has a lot of icing on it, guys. So if you love buttercream, you're going to love this one.
Buttercream.
Yeah.
Buttercream and broccoli.
So pretty much what you need is some cupcakes of your choice, whatever. Here we go, everybody. You have no idea what I go through filming Crumb Boss.
Oh yeah, okay. You have no idea what it's like to be the producer.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you. Yeah. I'll give you a knuckle sandwich, Gretchen.
Yeah, you're giving me something more than a knuckle sandwich. Alright, let's just get through this. Can we please, everybody? Listen, you need cupcakes, vanilla or chocolate, whatever your choice. You're going to need to find yourself, I know that if you Google these guys, you'll be able to get these. They're pretty popular. Mostly they sell these for Halloween, but, you know, you can get them Amazon,
they're eyeball rings.
Yeah, they're eyeball rings.
Okay.
I use them on my Halloween cupcakes, but it's not quite Halloween yet, but it's perfect for that.
All right.
Buttercream. You need to, as you see on the finished cupcake, you need some green, some blue, some black, some white. All right? Where's my white? Here it is. Okay. Yep. So first thing you do, to achieve that look, you know, like he's kind of piled high, he's got like a triangle looking head, you have to pile this buttercream a little bit higher than you normally would. Alright, so that's the first step. And then the second step is to take your green buttercream with a grass tip. Now I have the larger grass tip than I normally use, guys, because I think it looks a little bit better. And basically I just kind of, I actually held it while I did it, and I just like piped it while pulling away. And that kind of makes it look like his, I don't know, it's almost like he's like the sea monster or something, right? Mm-hmm.
He's the Crumb Boss.
Is this what I look like?
Monster.
Is that what I look like? Alright, like this and like that. And then what you have to do is put his eyeball on there.
Oh, cool.
Alright?
That's cool.
Now, what did I do next? You don't really have to do this step, but it looks kind of cool if you just kind of do the outline with some blue.
Yeah, I like that.
You don't have to really do that extra step if you didn't want to. Then what you're going to do is an eyebrow, one eyebrow in black across the top.
Because all Cyclopses have eyebrows.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
saw one a couple of weeks ago.
And one mouth.
Mm-hmm.
And then what I do for the teeth is you do like a squish and pull it out. And a big squish and pull it out. Big squish, pull it out. And that looks like his fangs, right?
Cool. Yeah. Do that one now.
Alright.
That's
so
cool. So
I would recommend, guys, get these right in the fridge after you're done, because that amount of buttercream on there really is a lot. And if it's warm in your kitchen, you want it to really set up pretty quickly.
Yeah. What does set up mean?
Yeah, that's an industry term, I guess. To set is something, you know, like it...
Like set the table?
Not necessarily. Like it kind of stays in place.
Okay.
When it sets.
Okay, cool.
It's not going to move.
I'm going to put the ring on.
Alright, go ahead.
I'm going to do it.
Go ahead.
There. Look, I actually put a thing on a cupcake, you guys.
Man, I drank so much coffee today, I'm shaking.
Exactly.
So there's the outline.
Here's an eyebrow. These are really cute, Crumb Boss. How'd you come up with these?
Yeah.
It was over on Pinterest. No, I'm kidding.
Actually, no, I didn't see
I've seen these. I've seen the. I remember when I first became friends with you, you had a lot of interesting things in your bakery. No, I'm kidding.
I did?
No, I'm making a joke.
Oh.
God sakes, I'm the producer. Hey, let's laugh a little today, Crumb Boss. Where you been?
Come on, man. I'm concentrating here.
Yeah, wake up.
Got a lot of interesting smells going on in the bakery.
No, exactly. It smells fabulous. Because you know why? These poor little guys are here. So listen up, everybody. She just showed you how to make Cyclops Cupcakes. Vanilla cake recipe, buttercream, a bunch of pastry bags, and again, we are back to selling, right? Those cake kit things?
Yes, it's on the blog now, guys. So if you need the Crumb Boss cake decorating kit that comes with the pastry bag, all the tips that you need, go on to crumbboss.com and order yourself your pastry kit.
Yes. I think these are really cute. Good job, Crumb Boss. What does everybody think? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. One Direction. There they are, right here. And there's 5 of them in the band.